Have you ever wondered why you get emotional when you get stressed? Stay tuned because in today's video I'm going to tell you. I'm Shulamit Ber Lev Tov, and you can call me Shula for short. I work with business women and busy women to recover from the effects of stress and trauma so that they can be chill but still respond effectively when the crap hits the fan. So why do we get so emotional when we get stressed? As I've mentioned before, stress occurs when the demand on the system exceeds the resources the system can mobilize to respond. So it takes energy to metabolize the emotions that come up moment by moment. Usually you might notice that, if emotions, they don't really have that much of you don't feel overwhelmed by them. They just arise and pass away on their own. And that's what emotions are meant to do. It's a little bit cheesy, but emotion, because they're supposed to be in motion. And they just arise and pass away on a regular basis. And in the course of the day, we do all right. But if demands are high and emotions are high, then metabolizing emotions, allowing them to arise and pass away, can get really hard. And when we're stressed, especially when we're chronically stressed, we often don't have the resources that we need to metabolize our emotions. Like, we need time, we need energy, we need presence of mind, and those aren't available if it's all nonstop demand, demand, demand. And if we lack supportive friends or family or community, then that can make dealing with emotions even more difficult. And this is where counseling can help, because you can have non-judgmental space to discuss what's happening for you. And also a counselor can bring in fresh and new resources to help you meet the demands that you're facing. So if you're curious about how counseling can help with your stress, why not sign up for a free consultation with me? The link is in the description. And in the meantime, you can sign up for my newsletter to stay in touch. I have a free stress reduction kit for you when you do. And the link for that is also in the description. From my heart to yours, thank you.